there, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll learn American culture and business know-how to become confident in English. There are some effective and fun ways to choose your motivation for the new year. Let's make some good resolutions together. Let's go. Most good resolutions get dropped by February. So, if you really want to keep your resolutions, here's a tip. Pick only one. You'll be able to focus on it. Otherwise, it'll end up like any other to-do list that you make during the year. So pick one. For example, this year, I've decided I will stop smoking. Or this year, I will dedicate 20 minutes to doing English every day. One resolution. A goal where you can't measure your progress, it's not a goal, it's a wish. And we want some measurable milestones to reach. It will help us keep us motivated, even if it's a very tiny one, a very tiny milestone. But you'll never underestimate how hard it is to reach that milestone. Don't worry. And of course, measures mean a deadline as well. For example, I'm going to read one page of a book in English every day for 6 months. One goal, measurable. Good friends and family can help you to keep your own resolutions. Tell them what you're gonna do so you'll feel bad if you fail. That's why it's also easier if you set up motivation partners. And why not choose resolutions together? It can be a fun thing to do at a New Year's Eve party too. For example, everyone writes down one good resolution that anyone can do, you put it in a hat, and then at some point you'll pick one from the hat, read it aloud, and that's your New Year's resolution for the year. For example, okay, I got send handwritten letters to my friends once a month. Your turn now. And a good resolution for your English? Join one of my online courses like Understand Real American English. It trains your ear to understand Americans who talk fast. And then join our student group on Facebook and you can find a motivation partner. There are already over 100 students in the Understand Real American English course, and I'm sure that they would love to help you stay motivated to improve your English. Now, tell me, what's your good resolution for 2019? Write your answer down in the comments. It's a great way to practice, share it with the world, and to keep yourself accountable. And if you feel lost in conversations with Americans because they speak too fast, I want to help you with my online course, Understand Real American English. If you feel frustrated because you can understand English lessons but not real-world conversations, this course is for you. It includes videos of authentic conversations, lessons where I decode the fast sounds and colloquial expressions, comprehension tests, and even pronunciation exercises so you stop trying to translate in your head, so you understand quickly and naturally. Go to the link below this video and get yours right now. And thanks for watching Speak English with Christina. Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you next time.